In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify's Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons to Canva websites and social media. We'll walk through this in a simple, practical way so you can connect your Shopify products directly to your Canva designs and make them instantly shoppable. First, start by opening your Shopify account in your browser. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the product section in the main menu. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the specific product you want to add to your Canva website or social media design. Click on that product to open its product page. Inside the product page, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a share button there. Click on the share button and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select the option that says copy link. This copies the direct product link to your clipboard. And this is the link that will act as your Buy Now or Add to Cart button when someone clicks it from your Canva design. Now, let's switch over to Canva. Open the Canva project where you're designing your website or social media graphic. Make sure you're inside the editor with the correct page selected. You can turn either text or a button into a clickable link, but in this walkthrough, we'll use a button because it's more visually obvious and usually gets more clicks. If you don't already have a button on your design, add one now. On the left-hand side of the Canva editor, click on Elements. In the search bar that appears, type in Button, then browse through the available button styles. Choose the one that best matches your brand and click it to add it to your design. You can resize it and move it into place just like any other Canva element. Once your button is positioned where you want it, right-click on the button. In the menu that appears, select Link. A small panel will pop up, usually near the bottom or side of the screen. Click into the link field, then paste the Shopify product link you copied earlier. When you see the link in place, click Done to save it. From this point on, when someone clicks that button on your published Canva website or downloaded design with an active link, they'll be taken directly to your Shopify product page where they can buy or add the item to their cart. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Shopify product to your Canva design, turning a simple graphic into an interactive shopping experience.